Good morning everyone, myself Muralidhar Reddy. In this video we are going to discussing about release branching strategy. Earlier we discussed about feature branching strategy, right? Let's see now release branching strategy. I will show you one diagram, you will be get more idea. Here example we have a master branch or main branch. From main branch we will be create one release branch. How it will be there? Example in 2023 September you want to release one application. Okay, you want to release one feature. Okay, we will be create like this: release dot 2023 is year dot 10 is a month dot one. On in that particular month we have a first release. We will be create like this: release dot 2023 dot 10 dot 1. Okay, same thing. If you have another release same month, we can create like this: release dot 2023 dot 10 dot 2. It means same month we have two releases. Okay, we will be create two releases from main branch only or master branch. From that main branch, in this particular release branch, they will be developer work on it, and once the particular code is completed, they will be deploying dev environment. Once the dev tested everything is fine, then they will be deploying QA environment. Once in QA team also tested everything end to end, they will be deployed in UAT. Okay, once UAT is done, everything's fine. Then again, for example, one more release is that they also deploy in dev and QA UAT. Okay, once it is done, everything's fine until UAT, then they will be merged to master. That particular branch release, they will be deployed to production. Same release branch, they will be deployed to production. Once the production is completed, deployment is completed, what they will do? They will be merge the particular release branch to master branch. Particular release branch to master branch. If you observe here, this release branch only directly we are deploying production. Instead of that one, what they will do, some of the projects, once the release branch they deploy in UAT, they will merge to master. Once merge is completed, then they will be deployed to production. They will deploy to production. Okay, they will be follow two ways. Either directly once the particular release branch directly deploy to production. That is the one option. Second option is this particular release branch is merged to master. Master branch will be deployed to production. Okay. In case if any issue will occur, we will be create the hotfix branch, same as in feature branch we will be create, right? Same here also we will be create a hotfix branch. In this particular hotfix branch, for example, in release branch we got some issue. After we deploy in production, we got some issue, right? We merge to master. Okay, we will be create like this. Example, release dot 2023.10.2 hotfix. For example, you got issue in second release. Okay, same month. We will be create like this: release dot year month, which here release month, and what is the release version. Here release version is 2, right? Hotfix. We will be create like this, and the developer will write the code, and in case if it is related to developer issue, they will be fix the code in this particular release branch. Then they will be deployed to production directly, or they will be merged to master. Master will be deployed to production. Based on project to project, they will be followed. Okay, I hope understand, right? Again, I'm going to showcasing here. Example, again, I'm showcasing here. Example, we have a master branch and in this September 2023, we have a release, first release. We will be create a branch like this: release dot 2023.10.1. Okay, and same thing in this same month we have another release. Example, same month we have another release. We will be create release dot 2023.10.2. It means same month we have a first release and second release. Same. Okay, the developer will write the code in this particular branch, and then they will be deploying lower environment. Lower environments is nothing but dev, QA, UAT. Once they will done, once this particular release branch the code is completed, then they deploy in lower environments. Once everything is fine, then this particular branch they will be deploying for prod as well. Okay, once prod is done, they will be merged to master branch or main branch. Okay, or directly instead of deploying this direct release branch to production, first we will be merged to master branch. Master will be deployed to production. Okay, we can follow two ways. One is directly you can deploy this release branch to production. That is the one option. Second option is first we will be merge this release branch to master branch. Master branch will be deployed to prod. Master branch will deploy to prod. Got it right? In case if any issue occurred in this particular branch production, we will be create a hotfix branch. How we will be create? For example, release 1 will be create like this: release.2023.10-1-hotfix. Okay, if you give like this, what will happen? The particular branch it will be create, and in case if it is related issue with the developer, they will be create. They will be work on the particular branch. Okay, once they fix the issue, again they will be directly deployed to production. This is the one option. Second option is this hotfix branch first will be merged to master. Again, master will be deployed to production. We can follow two ways. First one is hotfix branch directly deploy in production, or we can first hotfix branch merge to master. Master branch again will be deployed to production. We can follow two ways based on project to project. They will be follow. And coming to the interview level, which one is best to explain the interviewer? I can recommend you to choose this release branching strategy. The reason is you can explain easily compared to feature branching strategy. Example, you can tell them like, hey, we have a project. In this particular project, example, if you take on repository, in this particular repository will be create one branch, default master branch is there, and we will be create the multiple release branches. Example, we have a 2023 10th month, we have a first release. We will be create like release.2023.10.1. And if you have same month, we have multiple releases, we will be create release.2023.10.2. Then the developer will work on that particular release branch. Once everything's done, the particular release branch deploy in day 1 QA UAT. Once it is completed, then directly we can deploy the particular release branch to the production. If everything is fine, then they will merge it to master. That is the one option. Before going to deploy in production, the particular release branch first will be merged to master, then master branch will be deployed to production. And the second thing is like in case if any issue occur in the particular production branch, first we will be create the one hotfix branch. Example, in this particular release we got one error. I mean, in issue in production, we will be create the -hotfix branch. That particular hotfix branch directly deploy in production. That is the one option. Second option is we can first merge to master. Master will be deploy again to the production. Okay, I hope understand that. My suggestion to choose release branching strategy, you can easily explain to the interviewer as well. Okay, I hope understand that. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next video.